Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be testing out and giving a review on the Thrive Causmetics, what's it called? Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Yes, we're trying this out. Allie Glines loves this. I've seen, I think it was in Jessica Braun's faves for this year too. So those two are my favorites. So we're going to be testing this out. I know I look a little strange right now because I have my eyebrows done and my lips done and I don't have my eyes done. So we're going to do my eyes and test out this mascara and see how our first impression of it is. And then I'm going to come back, I'm going to test it again tomorrow and maybe one more day. And then I will come back and give you my final thoughts after a few days of wearing it. So, let's get started. I am going to be using, I think I'm going to use the Tati Palette today. At least that's what we're going to start off with. And I'm going to use my Essence Eye Base on my lids. And I just went ahead and did my brows because they take so long. And I usually always go off camera to do it anyway, so I thought, well, I'll just do that before I start. I will have listed everything I have on my face because I'm testing out not a foundation, something else today. So that's why I already have that on, because I'm making 2 videos right now because I have 2 different products to be testing. And I don't know in the other tests of this Thrive Causmetics if I'll be testing or I'll be using old stuff. I'm going to go in with the in the Tati palette, and I'm going to use from the matte Aurora. I'm going to use this color right here just to set that. I really love the Tati palette, but there were so many launches at that time. There was the Jeffree palette, the Shane Dawson palette, and then the mini, and this, and they're big palettes, so I haven't got to use it as much as I would like, but I'm going to use it now. For my transition color, I think I'm going to go into I think I'm going to use this pink one and just go really light-handed. This is the Poet line, and it's the matte. I'm going to use the matte for it, and hopefully I can get it to go on light. Oh yeah, no problem. That looks great. I wanted to wear pink to match my strings, and I hadn't tried her pink yet, so I don't think. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe I have used the pink. I've used the matte black because I use that all the time. It's the best liner. And that's probably what I'll use today for liner. And I'm going to put this on the outer part of my lid too. Okay, now I'm going to take the sequin from the pink, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. And I'm going to put it in the crease too. I should have used a smaller brush, but I didn't, so we're going to make it work. Some people have said things about how I stretch out my eyes, and if you don't have wrinkles and you don't need to stretch out your eyes, yay, go for it. I did not stretch out my eyes when I was younger. I still have wrinkles, And now it is a must because I don't want those lines to accentuate wrinkles by not having pigment in them. So, yes, I do pull my eyes. And I know that you're not supposed to do that, but you know what? If you've got wrinkles and you're wearing makeup and you need to not have little drag lines that skip, you're gonna have to do it. Just saying. I mean, if you don't have wrinkles, then you don't need to pull your eyes. And you don't need to tell me that I'm not supposed to be pulling my eyes, because I already know that. But I also know that you do you and I'll do me. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and I'm going to put, this is my Sigma E45, and I'm going to go into this. This is the metallic of the pink. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner of the lid. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Sigma E55 brush, and I'm going to wet it. And I'm going to go into the Aurora sequin right there. And I'm going to pick up a little of that. And I'm just going to put that right over where I just had. I don't feel like I have really any wetness on my brush. So maybe I'll try some of the Aurora sequin. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my liner brush, and I'm going to use the black matte in here, and I am just going to line my eyes. Okay, now we're gonna do the mascara. That's what we're here for, right? We're gonna do the mascara. So I am going to curl my lashes real quick. And then I'm going to use this Thrive Causmetics Lash Extension Mascara. It's okay. I'm not blown away by it yet. I don't know. What do you think, guys? My first impression is not that awesome. I mean, seriously, it's just okay. Doesn't seem to be holding the curl very well. So I'll give it a minute and then we'll curl them again. I don't know, guys. It hasn't wowed me. I actually think maybe I like my Charlotte Tilbury better. All right, it seems to be pretty dry. Let's curl it again. It seems like it's a lot more about lengthening, which I like, because I don't really like the clumpy ones. I didn't think I did anyways, but I'm definitely not feeling this right now. Oh, that's better. It just needed that second curl, I think. I never put more than 2 coats on though. And this seems to be getting clumpy in the second coat. Doing strange things. And I think this and the Charlotte Tilbury cost about the same, like $28. I'll have to look it up. But I'll look it up and put it up here. I never put more than 2 coats on because I don't want to have to take off more than 2 coats. That's my limit. At night, I'm tired. I don't want to have to scrub, and 2 coats so far has been enough. Yeah, I don't like the way this second coat goes on. I mean, it looks better, but it's, if you get up close, it's very, I don't know, weird, clumpy, but it's not clumpy like thick. It's clumpy like little clumps inside the, you know, the lash, but they're not at the end. They're just like in there. It's weird. So far, I'm not loving it. I'm not sold on the Thrive Causmetics mascara right now, that's for sure. Oh, okay, that's it. We're done. What do you think of my lashes? I'm not sold, but I'm going to try it again because right now, I don't know. It's just not enough for these eyes. Because I'm going to come back and do it again tomorrow. So I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the look for day 2 of the Thrive Liquid Lash Extension. I just wanted to come in and show you real quick. This, I think the key to this one is 1 coat. Because this is just 1 coat. It's still not my favorite. I'm thinking because you can only do 1 coat and my lashes tend to not stay curled with just 1 coat. But when I put 2 coats on, it was a hot mess. So I am going to say that this is not going to be the one for me. I'm going to try it one more day before I wrap this video up. And I won't have as dark of shadow on. I just wanted to do this for a glam look today. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay guys, this is day 3 for the Thrive Causmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. And I have to say, it's a no-go for me. You absolutely, or I absolutely cannot put a second coat on this without it actually just looking terrible. And 1 coat just isn't enough for me. So I'm going to have to give this one a thumbs down. I had heard so many good things about it, and no one had said that you couldn't put a second coat on it. So I was really shocked when I did it the first time, because I always put 2 coats. And I know some people put way more than 2 coats, but I always put just 2 coats. And boy, you put that second coat on and it just makes a holy mess. So I am going, because I went for a really natural look today, and it's just, you know, the lashes have to be the final. That's what makes it, and they just don't. What can I say? They just don't. So I'm going to wrap this video up by giving this a thumbs down. I will probably be returning this because it's too expensive. You know, it's like, if this was a drugstore one, I might keep trying it, but I've tried this for 3 days, and I have to say, it's just, and I tried curling them extra long this time. It's just, they're just not there. I don't know how good you guys can see them. I'll get closer. And just see, they're just, they're meh. They're okay, but unless you have great lashes to start with, which I don't. I mean, they're good, but they go straight out. And this, with one coat, it just doesn't hold the curl. So, I actually just watched a video by Wayne Goss about how to get your eyelashes to stay curled for 24 hours. So, we'll be making a video testing that out too. But we won't be using this because I don't think it's a fair test when you can only put one coat on. So, I will wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave in the comments, what's your favorite mascara? Because mine right now is the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lash. But this is so expensive. I'm sure that there are just as good ones at the drugstore, but I just don't know what they are. So leave in the comments what your favorite mascara is and whether it holds a curl. Because that's what I really need, is something that holds a curl. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video too. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!